Hey guys, welcome back. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on WTI crude oil for the day. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on WTI crude oil. So we can clearly see that on our trend we are on a downtrend move. Now let's take a look at this movement here. This is our low. Here is the lower high. This is also our lower low. Here is the lower high. This is the lower low, right? And here is the lower high. So our next movement on the WTI crude oil will be our lower low. So currently we are trading at a level of 66. Our next forecast on WTI crude oil should be a level of 55. So we are currently at a level of 56. Our next movement should be a level of 55. So we're expecting a sell on WTI crude oil.